Hello everyone, I am Avinav and I am one of the mentors for the Battery Management System Algorithm Development course. So in this course, one of the modules involves connected with EV lab here at RBC campus in Bangalore. And here we have the setup for cell testing and characterization, which involves the thermal chamber on the left side and the cell testing and characterization device here at the bottom. So here we can see some setup involving the chamber and cells, which is the primary objective of testing the cells. So there are many tests that can be performed, such as constant current charging, constant current discharging, CCCV charging, CCCV discharging, power, resistance, energy, and temperature. So after having performed all these tests, utilizing both of these machines, we'll be able to analyze the results as you can see here on the screen. And different graphs, different curves such as voltage, temperature, energy, capacity, all of these results are visible over here. And later on, these can be analyzed using a software, MATLAB and Unveiling, to further develop on cell and battery-backed digital twins, going for simulation and validation, and eventually going for battery management system algorithm development and validation. So the objective and outcome of this particular module is to undergo a hands-on experience by testing and characterizing different lithium-ion cells such as NMC cell, LHP cell, and lithium cobalt cells, and subjecting them to various different current profiles such as high current, low current, drive cycle profiles, pulse profiles, and to obtain the results from these to get the correct battery parameters, which can eventually be used in the cell modeling and battery management algorithm.